Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tez. Today I'll show you how to make cinnamon French toast in the oven. This is a quick 10-minute easy solution to your breakfast. While this cooks to perfection in the oven, you could utilize that time to get your tea or coffee ready and set up your breakfast table. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, start by heating your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You need 6 slices of bread of your choice. I'm using white Italian bread. Next, we are going to make French toast mixture using 2 eggs, half a cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You could use more or less depending on your personal taste, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now whisk to mix all these ingredients together and set aside. You need a large enough baking sheet that would comfortably fit your 6 slices of bread. Grease with some pan butter cooking spray. Pour your prepared French toast mixture in a flat rectangle bowl, just big enough to fit 1 slice of bread at a time. Dip each slice of bread, making sure to coat both sides, and then arrange on your well-greased baking sheet. You have to be quick about it. If you leave each slice of bread in for too long, then they might soak too much liquid and there might not be enough for the rest of them. Continue the same for the rest of them. They're all ready to go in the oven now. In your preheated oven of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius, bake for 5 minutes each side, which is a total of 10 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, which is halfway through, I'm going to turn them. Now leave them in for 5 more minutes, and that's it. In just total of 10 minutes, they're perfectly done and ready to be served. Serve with lots of butter and maple syrup. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. If you have any concerns regarding any of my recipes, you could always leave a comment below or contact me through any of the social media platforms, the links of which are in the description box below. Take care.